Jesus was delivered from death and he came to save the world.
Welcome to Tabernacle of Prayer Life Community Church.
Our Sunday services are exciting with prayer time, spirit-filled worship, and great. You can trust us to lead into a praise and worship experience.
Atmosphere. Oh, come lay.
We cancel every debt. We cancel every spirit that is of evil nature against us.
God is in this place.
Join us every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Weekly services every Tuesday and Thursday from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m.